Okay, so welcome back to Frances Channel at nandito naman tayo sa susunod na attraction sa
Truckee Vegetable Village.
Okay, so dito naman tayo sa Truckee Vegetable Village dito sa Hoi An after ng banana boat ride. So ayan na si Che kukuha ng ticket.
3.5.
3.5.
Yeah.
We are here now. You go straight way. Say here, Longchamp left, Longchamp right. You can see the Minty Garden. You can enjoy basil drink,
Okay.
including the ticket.
Okay, so hanapin natin yung ticket stall. Punta na tayo dito. So this is the village. Yung mga vegetables nila dito. Ito din yung kanilang sinusupply sa mga restaurants. Dito din nanggagaling yung mga siguro doon sa Hoi An Central. Karamihan kasi dito sa pagkain ng Vietnam may mga dahon-dahon mga vegetables. So this is the vegetable village. So I think lumagpas tayo. Alam ko dito yung bayaran Babayad muna tayo dito Okay. Hello. Okay, so 35,000 BNB per person.
Ticket for farmer.
Okay, so kasama na sa binayaran na 35 per person ang drinks dito. Plus yung sa farmer, yun. So dalawang ticket din yung bibigay doon sa farmers. So itong drink naman, parang may luya, may tanglad, and hindi ko alam kung anong seeds yan. Chia seeds yata ito.
Yun na yung ganun nakikita.
Ha?
Yung parang nakita ko na ito Nalimutan ko lang.
So let's take a drink first. Cheers! So dito tayo papunta sa kanilang taniman. Marami silang mga vegetables. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga yan. I don't know about vegetables, so I don't know what it's called. Yeah, I know nothing about vegetables, so yeah, that's vegetables. Okay, so I only know this one. This is alugbate.
Alugbate
Sa Pilipinas, alugbate.
Are you from the Philippines?
Yes, sir.
Marian Rivera.
Wow, it's her. Joke. Thank you.
Temptation of wife.
Wow, you're a fan, huh? You're a fan. That's good, that's good. Okay, so you can experience also being... Yeah. So, you will be a farmer for a day. Yeah. So meron din silang ano yan, mustasa. Alam ko taragon yata tawag dyan nakalimutan ko na. I don't know this one. It's pipaya. Pipaya? Yeah, it's pipaya. Okay. Yeah. Mababa lang. Madami ng bunga. So, organic. Lahat dito organic. Ito din yung ginagamit nila sa kanilang mga restaurants. Sila din ang nagsusupply. And talagang supported by their government. Parang ginawa na siyang intangible attraction. Recognize siya ng Truckee Vegetable farming as National Intangible Cultural Heritage. So you can experience a day as a farmer here at the Truckee Vegetable. Ito pechay, kangkong, alugbate, pechay. tayo dito sa Organic Cooking Class and Restaurant, Traque Waterwell. So, meron ditong cooking class. So meron din dito mga restaurants. So kayo magluluto dito, cooking class kung paano magluto. Yan. So that's it. Yan yung lang cooking class. Okay. I don't know what's that. Ointment siguro. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we are still here at the Traque Vegetable Village. So ayan yung kanilang water well made of bamboo. So meron din silang cooking class dito. Yan, kung gusto nyong matutong magtanim, experience, meron din dyan mga areas na pwede kang makapag-experience na maging farmer for a day. Ayan, so maraming vegetables, hindi na natin alam yung iba. Alam ko lang dyan yung mga alugbate, kamote, mustasa, pichay,
Sibuyas.
may sibuyas,
Dahon.
ito hindi ko alam kung ano to. Ano ba to?
Inchay.
Chai. Tapos meron silang drink, yung basil seeds drink. Ay, daisy yun eh. Hindi kinakain. Ayan, tapos yung mga patubig. Ayan. Okay, so I think this is it. Hindi ko lang alam kung meron pa. Pero ito na yun eh. Ha?
Kadulo.
Meron din natin. Yan, ito naman sa mga cooking class. Class, yan yung matututunan nyo. Fresh steamed rice rolls, Vietnamese cuisine, banana flour, yan lahat yan. Merong mga ingredients lahat halos dito galing. Very organic. Do not panic. It's organic. So that's it. Dito naman, ayan, parang meron silang, anong tawag dyan? Ayan o. Tomb pala yan.
Yung libingan.
Oo, Ogmoyen Padyan. Okay, on this part naman ng Vegetable Village, mas maraming tourist dito kasi, ayun, so meron ding cooking class, restaurant, at the same time, ito, massage, Vietnamese massage. Okay, so what's this oh? Ano to, diba? So ayan, madaming tao dito kasi niya nagpapamassage. Cooking class. Massage. Hanap pa yung taho. Stonewell cooking class. Okay. So ito yung sinauna namang ng palay. Okay guys, so that's it dito sa Truckee Beach Civil Village sa Hue An, Vietnam. So thank you for watching and please subscribe to Precious channel. And lipat na tayo sa Ancient Village doon sa Central Hue An.
Okay,
Okay,
let's
guys,
go.
let's go.